Hello, welcome to this short video presentation of our free market app. Basically, free market app is a mean marketplace application that basically it will be having some business, and people who will be using this app can get time to review those business and get more details about the business. So this app, it has been crafted by it has been developed and designed by Bold Initiative, a software company based on apps and education technologies. So I'll open the free market app, and when it opens on the home page, the first thing that you're going to see is it's a display of some of the business that are being delivered with this application. So the first thing you shall meet with a slideshow that actually tells some of the business. For instance, on the context of now, we have the Abud Bus, we have Dalax, and we have this mobile phone business. And down here, you shall find a list of categories. The business categories, they're ranging from buses, agro-product, cultural products, hotel, advertisement, nightclubs, and as this goes on, more categories will be included. Then on the top part, we have the searching. We have the searching functionality, so you can search for a certain business. Then we have this star-like, something like a sunshine icon, which actually is set for the recommended business. So there are some business that the management of a free market can set them as a recommended business. So if somebody clicks on them, so the list of those businesses that are recommended, you shall find them here. Then we have the home icon. You can click it to get back to home. And then we have the third icon, which is a category icon. So when you open it, you get again the list of categories. Then when I get back to my home, so let's start from this point. So for instance, I'm interested with this mobile phone business, so I can click on it, and when it opens, it will display the image of that business. Maybe for this case, it's a mobile phone. When you scroll it, you can get another image of the same product. But sometimes you might need to see it in details. You can click on it, and you can enlarge it and check how it looks like on this product. And if you're satisfied, you can get back, and then scrolling down, you shall see the key features, some of the detail of that product. You can scroll right, left, and if I'm interested on this product, there is a phone number down here. I can just hit it to call. And then if, for instance, it happens that maybe I'm not so sure if maybe I can purchase this phone at this moment, or to communicate with these people, so I can just click on this the favorite icon, the icon with a purple color, and on click of it, it will say that this item is added to your favorite list. And later on, I'll show you also the favorite list. So let us get back to home, and if it happens I need to view the business in terms of the categories, so I might click a certain category, and when it opens, for instance, this is a category for buses, and when it opens, it has some of its subcategories. For this case, we have Mwanza, Bukoba, we have Dodoma. So basically, if I want the buses that are going to Mwanza, I might click on Mwanza category, and when it opens, this is a bus that actually is traveling to Mwanza. I can click on it, and some of the pictures of this bus here they are, so I can enlarge them to see them in details. Like these. And if I'm satisfied, I can scroll down, and here I'll find a table with the routes. This bus where it's going, the time, the departure time, reporting time, the fare, and the bus number as well. If I want to reserve a ticket, I can just make a phone call to this business and they can reserve a ticket for me. And down here, I have a list of related business. As long as this is a bus business, definitely other buses that will be displayed down here. So I can get back to home and check on the other side of the app. When we scroll, we touch the menu icon. We have the menu. So the menu comes with home. It comes with social networks, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and if there will be others added on. It comes with a home page, that the page that we were. It has a category page. It has a list of categories. Maybe let's try to check on another category. Maybe let's try to check on advertisement category. So we have some of its subcategories, the clothing, the electronics, phones, and whatever. So for instance, maybe I want to click to check some products on computers. I can click on the computers, and on this time there is no business found. So let me get back. Maybe on phone shop. So we have a single business on phone shop, so I can click on it. And the good thing, when you see this, the purple icon, it showed me that this business, it has been saved in my favorite box. So I'll show you later on the favorite box. So when I get back again on this, I have the favorite. Let me show you the favorite. So when I click on the favorite, we have this. These are the list of the business that I have saved for further references. So I have this, for instance, the Infinix, the mobile phone business. I already saved it on my favorite box. And maybe if I find that I want to get rid of it, I can just click on the bin icon. So if I click on this, show me, are you sure you want to delete this result? So I can click yes. Then I get back to my menu. We can check on recommended. These are some of the business that have been recommended by Free Market. So you can click and check it. For instance, Sutco. So this is the bus. It's a recommended. So you can enlarge it. And some of the details. And if you want to make booking or get more contact about this, you can just click on the call. Again, on the menu, we have the contact us. So if you want to communicate with a Free Market, you can either by calling like this, or you can opt for email. So you can write maybe demo email, maybe hello. So you can send email to these people. You can either reach them by clicking it. It will open a map, so it can give you directives toward this business. Then again, let's get back to our home. We have the business part. Basically, this part, it has been designed if somebody needs to make a business deal with a Free Market. So you can just fill your details. Here, maybe my business, it is bold. The business name, Bold Initiative Ltd. Then representative, Divine Francis is a representative of this business. The email, it is divine at ibold. The email, it is divine at ibold.africa. Then I can fill the phone number 0713-817738. Then done, so I'll submit the inquiry. I can do it via mail. So these are the details, so you can send it, and if you have something to attach, you can attach it. Back on my menu, I have the About Us. So this is a short description of what is free market, what actually they're doing. So you can visit their website, you can make a business deal, you can contact them. In case you need any clarity about basically what they're doing. Let's get back to our home. So this is what actually this app will be doing, and these are the functionality, and these are on the representation part. We have an app. Then on the administrative part, there is a web administration panel, which actually handles a number of issues that are present on this app. And so in short, this is actually what we are having. So we do welcome your inputs to make this thing to be more cozy and more functional. But before I wind it up, I remembered also you can share this app with your colleagues and some of the friends. Just click on the share button. We have options. You can share it via WhatsApp, Gmail, whatever. WPS, webpage, LinkedIn, all these options for sharing. Maybe let me opt to go for messaging. Then I can just type on the recipient. Maybe I have a friend named Kedo, so I can share with him this application. So basically, this is all that we have for free market. Very soon it will be released for public consumption, and we do welcome your inputs to make this thing to be a very good one for the good of our community, for the better of Tanzania. Cheers. You're warmly welcome. Welcome to Body Initiative. Welcome to Free Market. We are here to welcome. We are here to serve you and to deliver the best of all that we can. Karibu.